I'm just about ready to start the thing up. I put some fuel in it, turned the petcock on, and watched gas go through the fuel lines. I think we're just about ready to go. We've got about 0.0 miles on this thing since it was rebuilt. One thing I'm not real certain about, I can't remember if this tank is a California tank or not. This is a California tank cap, so it has special California venting, so don't know if it's going to work properly. Here we go. This is the first startup since I started it in the garage with the auxiliary fuel tank. How's it sound? It's interesting that I'm seeing little bubbles in the oil lines. I don't know what that's about. The good news is they're moving along. It's never going to look this good again, is it? Alright, I'm done. Fun's over. Anybody want to buy an RZ350? It's an investment, you know. I have to adjust my clutch cable. Take two.
Should I turn it on?
I have 3/10 of a mile on this thing. .9 miles, and all is good so far. This thing felt really good. It ran really smooth, quite excellent. I'm going to start it up a little bit more right here to make sure I'm not still getting bubbles through my oil lines. Then let it cool down and maybe go for another little ride later today. A little bit longer ride. Pretty exciting. Alright, I just pulled over. I'm hoping all that smoke is just the paint on the exhaust, the heat wrap. What year is that?
77.
Oh, that's nice.
I think so, yours.
This has 19 miles on it now.
Wow.
that worked quite well. How many miles we got here? We have 29.7 or 8 miles on this thing. 29.7. Don't know how or why bugs stick to the side of the fuel tank, but the bike runs beautiful. I'm thrilled with the way it runs.